Okay. Good morning to all of you. So today our last lecture of this one, 25th lecture, based on the packaging operations in the fruits and the vegetables. And our last lecture of the syllabus today we are observing. So already we have seen in this topic different character, primary operations, secondary operations are there, then different categories are there, objective, scope, etc. Right. So here you are observing the good photograph of the fruits and the vegetables are there, and there is having the drying systems are there. So for example, we are knowing about the onion, garlic, generally they are drying, it is under the shady conditions are there, or generally it is going maximum time is there. So with reference to this, as this importance of packaging generally to prolong, it is called as a prolong, that is to increase the time or the days of the shelf life is there. So this is important, and in this condition the handling of material, storage of material, their treatments, their system, it is very important. Here you are observing, for example, in this importance to prolonging the shelf life is there. So criteria of choosing the proper packaging material. So how we are keeping it. So types of packaging are the packing house handling, and the pre-storage treatments are there for the fresh or these vegetables. Second thing, there is having the about the transport, complicated journey. For example, we should use the bags, crates, hampers, baskets, cartoons, right? So suppose the long distance transport and the marketing is there. So this packing is very important. Thirdly, this packing system that the consumers also gets satisfied after the taking from the market, and therefore criteria for the packing we have to use that. There is having the different municipalities waste are there, or there is having the recyclable, there is having the biodegradable, both materials are there. So we have to biodegradable means what? The material which is going to be decay or the decompose. So we are not bringing it again home. We are keep throwing there. So therefore they having the another different waste problems are there. In the shelf life we have to consider for the different types of the vegetables or the fruits. Their for the sales appearance on the bags, multicolored printings are there, lettering or the logos are there. Therefore company or the any product gets highlight due to the packing system is there. So these things it carry the important. Each container generally the handling and distribution, it is very important. Nextly, there are the different shapes and the sizes are there, right? So here you are observing there is having the this character. So we have to use particularly for this one. Nextly, there are the certain parts are there. We have to give the specifically efficient systems for the this packing are there. Suppose electricity or the packing instruments are there, plastic bags are maybe there for the different types. In the early 1950s, 1915, so there are the plastic or these are not generally used that time, but there are the gunny bags are there, were there. So these gunny bags used for the different purposes, sugar or this one. And in the packing house, the sorting is the important. Sorting with reference to the removal of the stones, removal of the debris, or the use of the fungicides. These are very important. So we have to see all these characteristics. the packing and the packing systems. Generally, we have to keep there should not be physical damage. Generally, due to the handling or due to the storage or due to the any part is there. And therefore, selection of packing it is also important. The pre-storage, you read all these 21, 22, 23 points. I have given deliberately points number. In this 26 number, some long distance. So cleaning, washing, sorting, grading is important. Then there is the we have to use the specifically waxing is there, pre-cooling is there. Then we have to use the curing or the chemical treatments are there. Then paper heat treatment is there, so to remove the microorganisms. So these are the good systems are there. As we are knowing, potato, tomato, root, carrot, etc., they may be affected by the microorganisms. So removal of pathogens, these soil-borne pathogens are there. It is very important. So there should not be having the proper use. Generally, 0.1%. There is having the neutral detergent may be used for some washing purpose, or there may be used the high temperature for fraction of minutes are there. Suppose 1 minute, 2 minute, 3 minutes, 270 Celsius temperature. It may be suddenly used. So many types they will use. In the 31st point, as there are having the one part is observed immature or the blemished fruits are there. So but they are taken for the market, so it is not proper. We have to see the proper its maturation stage, right? Then nextly we are knowing there is having the grading of the fruits are there. So undesirable fruit, that is diseased or damaged, it should be removed. Then vegetables and fruits, their weight, size, color, maturity, it should be considered. Then there is having the price in the market, it is also important. Then nextly there are the pre-storage treatments are there. So we should know about the weight loss. So due to the drying or this one, and therefore the natural wax content, it is called as a bloom also. So on the fruit it is done, and it is done by the paraffin wax, carna wax and the bee wax, right? So it should not be dangerous to the human after the eating. Here we are knowing some atmospheric conditions are there. So these atmospheric conditions also help to protect the fruits. So therefore good atmospheric conditions we have to consider. Nextly we are knowing there is having the about the 24 hours harvest system, and the cooling systems are there. So temperature difference is there. So we have to know about this. In the pre-storage conditions are there, decay and the decompositions. Avoid the decay and the decomposition. Then there is having the post-harvest diseases, they are there. So we have to see about this one. Nextly, there are the some 500 ppm of Benomil. It is used in the water for 50 to 55 minutes, and it is good effective for the controlling anthracnose in the mango. So mango fruits, they are to be treated with this one, Benomil in the water. Then nextly, in the pre-storage, the curing techniques are important. About the onion, garlic, sweet potato are there. So moisture and the attack of the decay, it is controlling is very important. Nextly, there is having the attractive about the onions are there. So they should be having 3 to 5% water content, and so weight loss is also there. here we are knowing about the ventilation, proper ventilation and shady place, generally useful for the onion. Then nextly there is having essential conditions about the temperature. So 30 degrees Celsius temperature and the low humidity, it carries the weightage. Then nextly we are knowing about there is having the, some boxes or some are there, so we should use the certain injections. So they should be heated or the humidified by the steam injections are there. So to remove the eggs or the larvae or the pupa or the adult from the certain boxes are there. So heat treatment it is also used. In 47 point you see there are the different insects are if they have entered in the box. So near about 43% degree Celsius per short period it is given, and generally are up to the 8 hours. So therefore they becomes inactive. Here in the packing system, shelf to increase the shelf life. So how it is packed at the storage. So 0.5 to 1% generally there is having the fruits centimeter. It is to be scissor. It is to be used for this. Nextly, there are the some cares are there. So latex drops and the others they are to be used for the system. Here we are knowing about these different systems for the fruits and are there. So proper washing, proper cleaning, then dusting, and the methods of cleaning for the different fruits and vegetables. It carries the weightage. Generally, safe storage temperature. It removes the particularly some part of the pathogens are there. Right. Initially, we are knowing there is having the proper packing system is there, proper ventilation is there. So there should remove the hazards. The mechanical grading system, generally for the some examples are there, so they are should be used. So now we are knowing these certain types of the conditions are there. Here you are